Right, it's Sunday. I got in from my night shift this morning, and looking at the weather, it's been saying it's going to be raining today, but it doesn't look like it's going to rain, and I've been procrastinating all day. Gone outside, it's like 2 degrees, 3 degrees, it's bloody cold, but I really want to get my bike done. I really want to get this kit put on the front of the Harley. So it's a full blackout kit that I got from Germany, which is why I bought that new bike lift. So I'm gonna do it.
Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Okay, so this is the Harley, the 48. There's the new the new thing. Right, so what we are doing is we are putting a blackout kit, full blackout kit on here, and on here. So full blackout kit, so it makes it look beefier, chunkier. You get some rubber gaiters on here, you get thick metal aluminium sliders that go over there, and some covers on there. So that's what we're going for. So take a good look at it now, because that's what we're doing. Okay, after a little bit of messing about, getting the balance right, we have the bike on the stand. So yeah, what we got to do, got to obviously remove the caliper, take the front wheel off, and then undo these, drop the forks out, put the kit on, and should be done. Yeah. I think I'm going to strap that back end down, because once I take those forks and the wheel off, it might just flip backwards. So I'm going to strap it down. So let me show you the blackout kit. It's quite simple really. So we've got gaiters that go on quite simply. They're rubber gaiters. Got these beautiful machined aluminium painted slide-on covers. Look at that, beautiful. And they're aluminium, and they just slide straight over. And then to finish it off, the cherry on the cake, you just got these blackout caps for the very top. And I don't know how they screw on, how they stick on. Good. So that's the blackout kit. So first things first. Oh yeah, already. Oh yeah. All right. So good. Oh yeah. And that is the front blackout kit done. So tomorrow I've got someone coming to put a new windscreen in the van, but tomorrow I'm going to I think I'm going to chop the back off the bike, so do the tail chop. So long as the weather's good, I'll do a tail chop tomorrow. So that will be in the next video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. I don't know, maybe you did. I certainly did. I'll speak to you in the next one.